Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular treadmills, the Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Electric Treadmill and the GOYOUTH 2-in-1 Electric Treadmill. Today, we're basing our comparison on online reviews and feature comparisons to help you decide which treadmill might be the best fit for your fitness journey.
Let's dive in.
When it comes to affordability, the Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Electric Treadmill takes the lead, priced at $299 compared to the GOYOUTH 2-in-1 Electric Treadmill's $469.
Reviewers appreciate the Goplus for its budget-friendly price, making it an attractive option for those looking to save.
Both treadmills are equipped with a 2.25 HP motor, promising quiet operation. This similarity ensures that neither will disrupt your household while you're getting in those steps or runs.
Reviewers have noted both treadmills' quietness, comparing it to sneaking a midnight snack without making a sound.
The Goplus provides a running space of 39.3 x 16, whereas the GOYOUTH offers a slightly larger area at 15.75 x 41.34.
For individuals with a wider gait or those who prefer more room, the GOYOUTH's expanded belt size is a significant advantage, according to reviewers. Goplus stands out with its additional features, including a multifunctional LED display, Bluetooth speakers, a phone holder, and remote control. Reviewers have particularly praised the convenience of the phone holder and remote control. On the other hand, while GOYOUTH also offers a multifunctional LED display and Bluetooth speakers, it lacks the extra amenities provided by Goplus, making Goplus more appealing to those who value these conveniences. Both treadmills are designed for easy storage, capable of folding up and being rolled away.
This feature is highly appreciated by reviewers, who note the convenience of being able to store the treadmill when not in use, keeping living spaces clutter-free.
The GOYOUTH treadmill offers a 1-year warranty, providing buyers with a sense of security and support.
This aspect is particularly valued by reviewers who have encountered issues, as GOYOUTH's responsive customer service has been highlighted for its helpfulness in resolving problems. Goplus's warranty details are not as prominently mentioned by reviewers.
Overall, reviewers have shared mixed feelings about both treadmills.
Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Electric Treadmill is celebrated for its affordability, additional features, and compact design, making it a great option for those on a budget or with limited space.
On the other hand, the GOYOUTH 2-in-1 electric treadmill is praised for its spacious running belt and responsive customer service, making it ideal for users who prioritize comfort and support.
Thank you for joining us for this comparison.
Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why.
Whether you're leaning towards the Goplus for its affordability and extra features or the GOYOUTH for its spacious design and customer service, we're interested to hear your thoughts. Check out the product links in the description below for more information.
Until next time, happy shopping!